gonna kick.
He's not a problem, really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne, Merc, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
Sorry.
And unless you let us go, right now, he will blast through here on his Night Fury and blow your entire fleet of ships to splinters.
They know I'm a big boss, got a big boss in this bitch. They know I'm a big talker, have my big body and they shit.